Welcome to the Life's Necessities and Luxuries radio show. Today our host, dawnmariemutell, your life's commodities broker, will bring you fashion, beauty tips, business acumen, teach you where to find the life's greatest necessities and the finest luxuries. Now, here's Dawn Marie.
Hey there, it's dawnmariemutell. Welcome to another episode of Life's Necessities and Luxuries. Today we're going to cover, it's going to be a combo here. We're going to have a luxury and a necessity. And the reason I say we're going to have both is because it is America Recycles Day. Now, I know that in New York we had to recycle, like everything started to get recycled. And here when I moved to Florida in the beginning, they weren't recycling, and it was really upsetting me because I realized like how important it is to recycle, and my apartment complex wasn't doing that. But now they are, but it's still not, they don't really restrict it like mandatory, but I still try to do it. But anyway, today's episode is going to be luxury, because it is our world, and living in a great place is a luxury, as we can attest from seeing how people in other countries live impoverishedly and in horrible situations. We get to have this beautiful world called America that we live in. And for those of you that are in Europe or in other countries, I mean, it's still important to keep your place looking great. So recycling, and it's a necessity because recycling is really the easiest thing that we can all do to improve not only our communities, but we can conserve some of our natural resources, and we can also create some green jobs out of it. If you think about it, if you give your garbage another life, when you recycle your plastic shampoo bottles and water bottles, they can actually become a park bench. Or you can recycle your cereal boxes, and that could become a game board. Or those food cans that we eat out of, they can become a bicycle. So I noticed that Staples is having a special during this time for the week of this week. So if you have a Staples in your area, check it out, because they were offering a $10 off of $30 coupon for any kind of tech that you recycle. So think about ways that you can recycle, and you can maybe reuse them yourself. Sometimes I buy water bottles and then I just refill them with like a gallon of water, just to not keep buying more plastic bottles. But I like to use, glass bottles now more than the plastic from, health reasons. But I mean, you can't get around it. Everything comes in some kind of container form. So just be sure to think about your space and your home and how you can make an impact with the rest of us to try to do the right thing and recycle. Remember, reduce, reuse, recycle. And, take the time to educate your children about how important it is, because they may not know what recycling is, or they may not really think anything about it. So you may want to bring that to their attention as well. And to any of you who are not recycling, you may want to try it out and see, I know it's a little bit extra step or a little extra work, because you got to rinse things out and put them in different containers. But in the end, it's so worth it if you love where you live and you want to have fresh air when you breathe and all these good things. You may want to think about trying it out. Well, that's it for today. Thanks again for joining us. And remember to stop at www.lifesnecessitiesandluxuries.com and pick up your free 2019 St. Pete Street Art Scene calendar, and grab a copy now while it's free, because it won't be free later next year. So remember to live peacefully, happily, lovingly, successfully, luxuriously, and necessarily. Until the next time, namaste.
Don't forget to stop at our website, www.lifesnecessitiesandluxuries.com, for more tips, tricks, tutorials to live a very necessary and luxurious life.